Welcome to CodeChef. Today we are exploring binary search in an array and how to determine the position where an element should be inserted if it is not present. Let's dive in. We have a sorted array: 1, 3, 6, 7, 10, 13, 20, 25, 27. The indices are labeled below each element. We need to find the element 10 using binary search. The algorithm works by repeatedly dividing the array into halves and searching in the appropriate half. The middle index is calculated as 0 plus 8 divided by 2 equals 4. The middle element is 10. Since this matches our target, we have found the element at index 4. Now, let's search for 9, which is not in the array. Our goal is to find the position where it should be inserted. The algorithm runs while left is less than or equal to right. In each iteration, we calculate the middle index and compare it with the target value. If the middle element matches the target, we return the middle index. If the middle element is greater than the target, we move right to middle minus 1. The middle element is 10. Since 9 is smaller than 10, we move right to middle minus 1, which is index 3. If the target element is greater than the middle, we move left to middle plus 1. New middle index, 0 plus 3 divided by 2 equals 1. The middle element is 3. Since 9 is greater than 3, we move left to middle plus 1, which is index 2. New middle index, 2 plus 3 divided by 2 equals 2. The middle element is 6. Since 9 is greater than 6, we move left to middle plus 1, which is index 3. New middle index, 3 plus 3 divided by 2 equals 3. The middle element is 7. Since 9 is greater than 7, we move left to middle plus 1, which is index 4. Now, left is at index 4 and right is at index 3. Since 9 is greater than 7 but smaller than 10, we break out of the while loop as left is greater than right. It should be inserted at index 4. If the target is not found, left will indicate the correct insertion position. Binary search helps us efficiently locate elements or determine their correct insertion positions in O log n time complexity. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and happy coding.